how to create Telegram account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin Besnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can create a Telegram account. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to create a Telegram account, or in order to register yourself on Telegram, you can simply open up Telegram application. You can get the application easily on the Play Store or App Store depending on the device that you have, that is Android or iOS respectively. Once you open up, you should get an interface somewhat like this. Simply tap on Start Messaging option at the bottom of your screen. Here you can see this option where you'll have to first select the country. If you know your country code, you can enter in the country code directly here down below, and you can see the country will be chosen itself. It'll show up there. Or if you don't know the country code, you can tap on country and go ahead and select a particular country. Once you do so, you want to enter in the phone number. Once you enter in the phone number, simply tap on next and it will send a verification code to your phone number. Now all you have to do is enter in the OTP code. Once you do so, if you haven't yet registered and if it is your first time on Telegram, it will ask you to pick a name and nickname. So you can choose it and you are easily logged in. So this is how you can easily create Telegram account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.